when we say this compromise, right? From this feeling of compromise, sometimes do you feel it is a perceptive feeling, and that also works in the same negative way?
Absolutely.
What I mean is, there are some people who will tell ke, Dr. Saab, मैंने तो देखो मेरे घर वालों के लिए कितना कुछ किया, और they derive satisfaction from the fact that they could not do in life what they wanted. And there is the second group which would be feeling that they actually screwed themselves up in the bargain. So, is there a way that you can just switch over that thought?
Yeah, so either way, Dr. Tushar, now that you're saying that either way, even if person feels that I did so much for the other people, मैंने कितना लोगों के लिए किया, right? And they feel that they are hero in doing something for somebody else. But the undercurrent to that is the victim.
Yes, of course.
Right? It's like, Jesus Christ has said that you give a fish to a person and you're feeding for a day. You teach a person to fish and you feed them for lifetime. Now, the typically first category of the person that you're saying that they say that I've done so much for people, that, I'm so selfless and I derive happiness out of it. They're actually going with the same victim mindset. So they are driving, again, as I said, the fight and flight. So these are the first category of the people are all the time fighting. They are the heroes, they are the warriors, those who march into the battlefield and all the time fighting with something. And they drive that, the adrenaline rush from fighting for somebody.